Today we are going to start with the lesson My Home. Okay, in this lesson, there is a girl. Okay, there is a girl who is telling us about her family and her house. Okay, so whatever sentences she is telling us in this lesson, we have to understand that, and then we all are going to make such a sentences of our family and our home. Okay, so I want everyone to try to make such a sentences. Fine. Okay, so I'll share. Okay, so I hope everyone can see my screen over here. Okay, so what is written on your screen? My home. Okay, as everyone is staying in the home, it is all about my home. Okay, now just look at the word that we are going to learn here. Fine, the word with short I sound. The word with short I sound. Now, which are these words with short I sound? These are IS is, IN in, PINK pink, GIVE give. So I want my students to say these spellings and words with me. Okay, IS is, IN in, PINK pink, GIVE give. Here we can see HIM him, WISH wish. Okay, so everywhere you can see I is there. Okay, these are the word with the short I sound. Okay, students, these are the word with the short I sound. Two more words are here: LIP lip and MORNING morning. Okay, so everywhere there is I in the spelling, and all these words are with short I sound. Okay, now we'll go ahead. We can see one picture here of a family. You have to look at this picture and to tell me what the family is doing in this picture. Yes, family is playing with what? Kites. Yes. Now look at their faces. Are they looking happy? Yes or no? Are they looking happy? Yes, they are happy. They are smiling. All are smiling. So that means what? This is the family enjoying together. This is the family enjoying together, enjoying all moments together. Like their family, our family also doing what? Enjoying the small moments. We enjoy all festival. We enjoy the small moment like birthday, celebration. Yes or no? If child is getting good marks in the exam, again there is a celebration. All are happy with that. Yes, so family is there always celebrating things together. Okay, they always care for each other. They always care for each other. Fine, they always care for each other. Fine. Now the lesson that we are going to learn is what? My home. Now अभी home में कौन रहता है एक साथ? फैमिली रहती है कि नहीं? और फैमिली मेंबर एक साथ कैसे रहते हैं? प्यार से रहते हैं. अगर प्यार से नहीं रहेंगे तो क्या होंगे? झगड़े होंगे कि नहीं? और हम लोग झगड़े करते हैं फैमिली में? नहीं. We want to live with peace. Yes, now I am sharing the next slide where we are going to start with our lesson. Okay, now students, here you can see girl. Now what the girl is doing? Yes, you all can see the girl is at the entrance of her house, and what she's doing? She's smiling. She is smiling. Now dear students, whenever a guest is coming to our house, whenever a guest is coming to our house, how we welcome them? With a smile, with a smile. So now we all are guests. We all are. आप और मैं सब कौन है इनके घर पे? Guest है. We all are going to this girl's house. Okay, हम लोग सब कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं? ये जो गर्ल है सामने उसके घर पे जा रहे हैं एंड नाउ द गर्ल इज वेलकमिंग अस ऑल विद अ स्माइल. जब आपके घर पे कोई गेस्ट आता है तो आप उनको ऐसे रूडली उनका वेलकम करते हो? नहीं ना, रूडली हम लोग उनको हाँ चलो आ जाओ बैठ जाओ. वी आर नॉट डूइंग दिस. वी ऑलवेज वेलकमिंग गेस्ट विद अ स्माइल. यस और नो? So the girl is welcoming us all, me and you all, with a smile, and she is telling us, "This is my home." What the girl is telling us? This is my home. Okay. So we understand here what we have to welcome the guest with smile, right? Yes. So I hope everyone understood this picture. Now we'll go ahead to the second slide. Now, what the girl is doing here, my dear student, girl is introducing her family members to us. What the girl is doing here? She is introducing her family members to us. Now, who are the family members in the family? Okay. Now, who are the family members here in the family? You can see mom is there. Okay. What you can see in the mom's hand? There is a bag in her hand. Okay. She might be going to the market or she might be coming from the market. Yes or no? Yes. And as she is introducing her family to us, all are smiling. Look at their faces. Yes. Now look at the boy sitting over there. What the boy is doing? The boy is doing something with the kite. Yes, he might be kiting the threads of the kite. And what the father is doing? Father is busy in reading newspaper. What the father is doing? Father is busy in reading newspaper. Okay, so what the girl is writing here about her family? I live here with my family. What the girl is writing here? I live here with my family. Okay, now we'll go to the other slide. Okay, okay, now dear students, look at this first slide. Okay, here you can see how she put all the shoes and chappals. All the shoes and chappals are kept very nicely outside her house, outside her home. And what she's writing about that picture, we take off our shoes and chappals here. Okay, so she want to tell us that they all are removing their shoes and chappals outside and keeping them very nicely. Okay, all are kept in a pair. सब चप्पल देखो अच्छे से रखे, एक चप्पल यहाँ वहां है नहीं है कि नहीं? So all things are kept very nicely, neatly at her home. And the sentence what she's writing here, we take off our shoes and chappals here. Okay. Now we'll go to the other slide where she's telling us about, yeah, about her grandfather's stick. Okay, my grandfather keeps his stick in the corner. So my dear students, आपके भी घर पे अगर आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स साथ में रहते तो उनको एक एक मतलब उनका जो चीजें उनकी जो चीजें हैं वो एक ही जगह पे रखी जाती है. क्यों ऐसा होता है बेटा? क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ एज वो बहुत जल्दी चीजें भूलने लगते. they start forgetting the things very quickly. Okay, so what the other members of the family are doing, they are keeping their things on one place so that they can find it very easily. Okay, in the girl's house, the grandfather's stick is kept on one place only in that corner, so that whenever grandfather want to go out, he can take his stick very easily. Okay, he can take his stick easily and go out. There is no need of searching the stick. कहाँ पे रखा, कहाँ पे रखा? No need of searching the stick. Okay, so what we understood here, that we also have to keep our things on the place so that we can we will be able to find them easily. Yes. Okay, now go to the other slide. Now what a girl want to say here about her family picture? Here she want to say that we also keep our mats there. Now you all can see mats properly rolled and kept in the corner. Yes, these mats are properly rolled and kept in the corner. Okay, so this is the place to keep the mats. This is the place to keep the mats. अपने ही हम लोग कुछ चीजें ऐसे ही अच्छे से रोल करके एक कॉर्नर में रख देते. So whenever we require these things, ना, that time we go and take that things. Yes. In the next picture, girl want to tell about her father's bike. What she's telling us here? My father keeps his motorcycle outside. Obviously, everyone's parent, if they're having such a vehicle, they used to keep it outside the home, outside the house. Yes or no? If your father or mother is having two-wheeler or four-wheeler, where they're keeping it, it is outside the house. Yes. Okay, so the girl is writing sentence, my father keeps his motorcycle outside. So you all can see the girl is making very simple sentences all about her family members and all about her things of her house. Yes? Okay. Now now everyone should pay attention, because later while I'm going to take evaluation, I want everyone to answer like this, not about the girl's house. You are going to answer about your own house. Okay, dear students, now you all can see this slide. In this slide, what the girl is saying, now see what is there in the picture first. On the cupboard, we all can see there is a helmet. Yes, father is using helmet while he is driving his bike. Actually, it is compulsory right now. So father used to wear helmet while he is driving his motorcycle, and he used to keep his helmet on the cupboard. Okay, so what the sentence girl wrote here? But his helmet is on the cupboard. But his helmet is on the cupboard. Okay, fine, very nice. And in the next picture, who is there? Grandma. Who is there? Grandma or grandmother. So what the girl is telling about her action, about action of her grandmother is, my mother and grandmother keep their saris in the trunk. So dear students, you can see here a big box. Okay, here you can see a big box. Now this big box is made of metal. This big box is made of metal. Okay, this big box is made of metal. It is bigger than a suitcase. It is bigger than a suitcase. It's called trunk, and it is used to keep I can say it is used to store the things. It is used to store the things. So this is a trunk, and grandma and mom of that girl, mom and grandmother of that girl, what they are doing with that trunk? They keep their saris in the trunk. What they are doing? They are keeping their saris in the trunk. So we also have some places where our mother and our father or our grandparents used to keep the things. Yeah, we have some storage places. We have wardrobes. We have cupboards. We also store some things below sofa. Yes, sofa में भी आजकल store करने के लिए place होता है. So we used to store some things over there. But here what the girl want to say, कि my grandmother and my mother keep their saris in the trunk. Okay, so you too have some places where your mother or father keeping their things. So you all can tell me about this. Okay, now go to the next slide. Okay, the most favorite place. Okay, what is it? Everyone can see this place. What it can be? Which place it can be? It is a what place it can be? It's a kitchen. Okay, it's a kitchen. Here you can see cylinder, vegetables, utensils. Yes, you can see all these things. This is the kitchen. Okay, now what the girl want to say about kitchen? My family cook tasty food in the kitchen. Okay, everyone's family is cooking tasty food in the kitchen. here girl is telling that my family cook tasty food in the kitchen. Okay, my family cooks tasty food in the kitchen. In the next slide, what is going on? My grandmother likes to sleep in the afternoon. My grandmother likes to sleep in the afternoon. So especially these old people, they are getting tired means by small things. Okay, because of age, they are getting tired. Okay, now my grandmother likes to sleep in the afternoon. It's a nap. It's not a long sleep. थोड़ी देर के लिए सोते हैं. Okay, so my grandmother likes to sleep in the afternoon. Like even we too are now having habit of sleeping. Yes or no? अभी हम लोग भी ऐसे घर पे हैं तो फिर मम्मी का काम हो जाता है, सब लोग सो जाते हैं दोपहर को. होता है कि नहीं होता है? Because we are taking rest. Okay, moms लोग तो बहुत थक जाती है घर का काम करके. They are very tired by doing all their house chore. So they used to sleep in the afternoon. Okay, now we will go ahead. Yes. Okay, what we can see in this picture, there are some guests. Yes, we can see some guests are there. Yes, and we also can see mom is there with a laughing face. Yes, and what she's having in her hand? She's having, I think, a cup of tea. Yes, cups of tea in her hand, and she is serving these guests. Okay, she is serving these guests. Okay, and guests are also looking happy. Yes, look at the guest faces. They all are smiling and chatting with each other. Now, what the girl is saying about these students? Friends of my grandfather visit him in the evening. What the girl is saying? Friends of my grandfather visit him in the evening. Okay, so the girl's grandfather's friends are these, and they are visiting him in the evening. And mom is also welcoming them with the smiley face. She served them with the smiley face. Why? Because they all are guests. Yes or no? And mom is always welcoming their guest with a smiley face. Even our mom is also welcoming guest with a smiley face. Okay. In the next picture, you can see, oh, what the girl is saying, you must come and visit my home. Do come again. Now this is time to say bye bye to this girl. Okay, now she is saying us bye, and she wants us to come and visit her home again. Okay. So in this lesson, what we learn? So students, the girl was introducing everyone to us. The girl is introducing each and every corner of her house to us, and she's telling us where they are keeping the things. Yes or no? Even we too are doing the same thing at our home, right? हम लोग भी यही चीजें करते हैं हमारे घर पे. हम लोग भी सब ऐसे ही नीटली और क्लीन करके रखते हैं. हमारे किचन में भी टेस्टी खाना बनता है. यस, हमारे किचन में भी टेस्टी खाना बनता है. यस और नो? वी आर नॉट कीपिंग द थिंग्स लाइक वी डोंट हैव मेसी हाउस. यस और नो? हमारा हाउस मेसी होता है नहीं. Just like that girl's house, we too keep things on the place. Yes. So as we complete with the lesson, let's go for grammar part. Before I start with the grammar part, let me tell you what we are going to start. Okay, we are going to start with module 3. We are going to start with module 3. Now module 3 contains two things. Okay, first is opposite word, and second thing is singular plurals. Okay, singular plurals, we have to follow a few rules. So we will take that in the next lecture. Okay, and we will take opposites word in the in this lecture. Okay, so first of all, what are the opposites? Okay, opposites are nothing but two words which are having different or reverse meaning. And I know everyone in the English especially love this question of opposite word. Yes, everyone love this question of opposite word. Very nice, na? ऐसे होता है उसमें small, big. Okay, so such a things that we are going to learn from this lesson. Okay. Okay, as I told you students, we are going to start with the module 3, and in module 3 what we are going to learn, we are going to learn opposite word and singular plural. Singular plural I am going to conduct in the next period. This period we will learn properly opposite word. Okay, now as I told you all, what are opposite words? Opposite words are words that have completely different or reverse meaning. Okay, opposites words are words that have completely different or reverse meaning. For example, I told you one thing, that is small and big. Yes, okay, something which is very small and the opposite word of the same is big. Okay, so I have given some examples of the opposite word here, how to write opposite word. Now while we are writing two opposite word, we have to write them together with the cross. Cross means they are opposite of each other. So you all can see here I have wrote few words. The first word is big opposite small. Okay, big opposite small. Second word, boy opposite girl. Third one is sad. I'm very sad. Then again, I got something, whatever I want, I'm very happy. Okay, sad opposite word is happy. And cry opposite word is laugh. Cry opposite word is laugh. Okay, so these are the opposite word, and while writing the opposite word, what we are using, we are using cross mark in between two opposite word. Clear? Now here I am showing few examples of opposite word. Okay, now what are these example of the opposite word? You can see here one boy and one girl. Okay, now look at the boy's clothes. They are dirty, very, very dirty. So the words we are making here, two opposite words that we found here, dirty, opposite, clean. What two words we found here? Dirty, opposite, clean. Okay, in the second picture, you all can see the girl is crying and the boy is laughing. So cry, opposite, laugh. Cry, opposite, laugh. In the third picture, you can see two balls. One is smaller one and one is bigger one. So big, opposite, small. Big, opposite, small. In the next picture, you can see old, opposite, young. Okay, old. The grandma is very old. Our grandparents are old, but we and our parents are young. Okay, so old, opposite, young. Then we can see here happy, opposite, sad. Look at two girls. First girl is very happy. She is showing her expression of being happy. And look at the second girl. Look, she is here keeping her hands like this, and she is showing us expression of being sad. Okay, so happy opposite is sad. Okay, in the next picture you can see asleep, awake. Asleep, awake. Okay, the girl is still sleeping, still she's in the bed. It's asleep. And when you're getting up with the alarm, that time we called it awake. So asleep opposite is awake. Asleep opposite is awake. Next you can see funny and serious. Now there are some storybook which are very funny. Even there are some cartoons which are very funny. When we are there to see cartoons or read such a storybooks, we start laughing. That means what? That thing, that book or that cartoon is very funny. Okay, the cartoons are always funny. But some serials which your mom is watching, they are serious. Yes or no? वो सीरियल में कुछ ऐसे ट्विस्ट आ जाते तो मम्मी बेचारी ऐसे सीरियस हो जाती कि अब क्या होगा आगे. Like so, our cartoons are always funny, but few things are serious. Okay, some books are also serious where we have to think a lot. Oh my God, what is going to happen next? So we have serious type of book, we have funny type of book. While we are reading funny types of book, it makes us laugh. It makes us laugh. And while we are reading some serious type of books, it makes us think, oh my God, आगे क्या होने वाला है? आगे आगे पढ़ते जाएंगे. We are going ahead and reading the same text, and we are thinking, oh my God, what is going to happen? What is going to happen next? Okay, so that are serious type of things. Okay, here you can see a fairy with a good blessing and a devil with the bad blessing. So bad and good opposites of each other. Bad and good opposites of each other. Below that you can see opposites, boy opposite girl, which I already told you. Here noisy and quiet. Now why noisy? The boy is making sound of something. Sound of something. It makes that place noisy. It makes that place noisy. Okay, and the girl is telling him to be quiet. Look at the way the girl is telling him to be quiet. Shh, quiet. So opposites are noisy and quiet. Noisy and quiet, opposites of each other. Then you can see day, night, opposite of each other. Day, opposite, night. And here the last one is sweet and sour. Sweet and sour. Chocolates are always sweet. Lemons are always sour. Okay, so these are the opposite word of each other, sweet and sour. Okay. I hope everyone clear with this opposite. Okay, I'm not going to start the next part because I don't want to dump the things. Okay, so we'll start that in the next period. Yes, we will start with the singular and plural with the in the next period, because we have to understand few rules over there. If you are going to learn everything together, we are going to forget everything. Okay, so let me start